Good evening, everyone. I've been out photographing sunsets and sunflowers today. And there's towards the south the thunderstorms that passed on by here from today. Please give my friend Chloe Khan a follow on her Instagram page. And don't forget to subscribe to her YouTube channel. The link to her channel is in my future channel list on our new channel, EmmaCreekGunworks.com. As for Tatiana James and Morton Himmler, Shelby Church, and Jody, please give everyone on my list a subscribe to their YouTube channel, as well as a follow on their Instagram page. The links are on their channel to their Instagram page and all of their social media platforms. And don't forget to mention that Cody from EmmaCreekGunworks.com, Emma Creek Gunworks Farmer Girl online store, and Scandinavian.borders.nordic photography sent you over. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video.